Well, we've arrived at the Coronado. Now we're getting ready to check in, so that's where we're headed. And then we'll head to our room and we'll get this vacation underway. Well, we've just arrived at the room here at Coronado Springs, and it's a very impressive room, but we really have an exceptional room because it's so close to the parking lot. I want to show you that. That's the parking lot, and so we can park right over there, bring our luggage in, and right out there is the bus stop. I'm not sure how far we are from where the food court is, but I think it's very close. So far I'm liking it. Here's something that I thought was quite interesting. In our door, this is what we're greeted with. They fixed us up a Mickey towel. It looks nice. It's a big king bed. I always get lost in the king beds. We've got some nice, what do you call these guys?
Oh, the
Caballeros. Well, the light. Okay, so we got a nice big, at least a 60-inch TV. We've got this great counter space. Lots of USB ports for our chargers. We have a Keurig coffee maker, which is one of my favorites. We have all the accessories. The curtains and the windows are large and very nice. Nice little seating area. And oh, we got this huge ceiling fan. And we got these nice doors that we can close off. We're into the bathroom. Let's see what we have here. We have a closet with extra blankets and I think a pillow. We have plenty of coat hangers. Ironing board. A little bit of storage down there. Lots of storage up here, a little more, some cabinets here. These are quite spacious as well. Some two sinks, one for each of us, which I like that. Mickey's got our makeup mirror. Bathroom is not big, but it's nice, very nice. But these doors, this door opens. I like the rain shower head. Toilet is a toilet. Very nice room. I think we're going to like it here. We're here for another 3 or 4 days, 5 days actually. And so we'll let you go for now, and we'll catch you on when we're headed out to the parks. One of the things that we've noticed in the room, that nowhere is there a hook where you can hang your jacket or your hat. And I mean, there's nowhere on the wall anywhere.
There is a closet, just not books.
Yeah, there's a closet full of coat hangers I showed you earlier. But I just discovered this. It's a little reading light. You just pop it out. And got your little lamp. That's kind of cool. That's right above your pillow. So if you want to read at night, there's your light.